Summer is upon us and we're all looking for lightweight, easy to wear and kurtas which we can wear to work or if you're going for a casual outing, etc. Hello Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today I'm going to show you an exclusive collection of chikankari kurtas which we put together for this summer. Before I show you the kurtas, if you like these videos, please click on the like button, hit follow and do not miss pressing the bell icon. Press the bell icon, you won't miss any new drops from Avishya. Let's start showing you the kurtas. The first one is a stylish sort of very pretty baby pink kurta. All of this is hand chikankari. This is tepchi work in two shades in white, in pink, in white and a delicate peach. It's done on kota fabric, so it's even more airy. There's one more kota one before I show you the rest. This is a beautiful green. All of this, just to tell you, is hand chikankari. If you look at it, this has got a dark green yoke and then white paisleys across the body. So this one again is made out of kota. The next one I'm going to show you is a beautiful cotton one. Look at this cotton, is extremely soft. It's a mull cotton one. The beauty of this is you can wear it without lining, so it will feel very light on the diagonal across and very pretty. I'm going to show you one more. This is a beautiful cream with intricate paisley work across. This in fact there's lots of chikankari work. If you look at it, there are paisleys, there's shadow stitch, then there are these small knots, and then if you see the bottom, then the work itself is very different. It's a French knot kind of look and bold knots. If you like these kurtas, want to check them out in person and you're living in Chennai, please visit our store in Chennai. Avishya store is located in Alwarpet, 281 TTK Road. We're open all 7 days of the week, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. So you can come to the store, check these out and then buy. If you're not living in Chennai and you're living anywhere in India across the world, please go to our website avishya.com and search for chikankari kurtas. This collection will be online. You can come online and buy what you want to. If you have any questions on size, on fit, on the color, our customer service team will be happy to help you. In case you don't want to visit the website and you just want to buy on WhatsApp, please take a screenshot of any kurta I'm showing you and send us a WhatsApp on 73057 77291. I'll repeat, 73057 77291 and our customer service team will be happy to help you. This one is a beautiful sandal color. This is silk cotton and it's nicely dressy. If you look at it, the chikankari uses zari. So there's a little bit of zari thread and then there are small beads. So this again you can wear for a party or a special occasion. The next one I'm going to show you. This is a georgette. This is like a lighter version of a steel blue and then it's got motifs in white across. Very stylish design, and because it's georgette, it will drape very well and look very slimming. The next one's an organza. My god, this is again perfect party wear. So you can wear it with a sequin slip or the same color of course, but if you wear it with a sequin one, it will look extremely stylish. Stylish organza with white work. Back to cottons. This one is a beautiful lavender. Got a central panel of chikankari and then dots across the side. The other speciality about all these kurtas, not just this one, will have work in the front. Most of the chikankari kurtas you see in the market will have work in the front, but the back will be quite plain. This entire collection has work in the back. So it's chikankari not just in the front, the back also. This is again organza and it's a beauty. It's got pin tucks in the center, one panel of chikankari on both sides and then floral booties on both sides. It's a beautiful, very summery yellow with white work. This has got a V-neck kind of formation and then the large yoke with big floral statement motifs. The back is again got a paisley and pretty floral booties. This is again a stunning kota and it got shadow work across and then the bottom is nice and dressy. So this is also shadow work but it's very heavy work in the bottom. The back also has got work across. One more beautiful cotton. This is a very pretty green. It's almost a leaf green. This has got lots of work. The top, it's like a panel. The entire top panel has got floral embroidery and then nice bold floral motifs below. All of these are also very tall. So the nice long kurtis which are in fashion now. The back has got one large motif and multiple small motifs. This is a beautiful blue. This is again a lighter version of a steel blue and it's got like a trellis jali work across and the back is again got the big floral motif and smaller booties. All of these are super light fabric. The fabric is pre-washed so it's very soft. If you're looking for something to wear for summer which is dressy but you can wear to work and will stay fresh the whole day, lots of these cottons are perfect choices. And this one is a stunner. Look at it. It's got a kali kind of look. It's a large yoke and it's got a pleated kind of look in the front. These lovely bundi beads and floral motifs. And look at the back, it's got floral motifs across. A very stylish, timeless piece. This comes to the end of the chikankari collection that we put together for summer. Like I said, if you like these, please visit our store in Chennai, number 281 TTK Road. You can buy them from our website. Just search for chikankari kurtas and they'll be available. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this and look forward to seeing you again.